focused inbox in Outlook Mobile. For that purpose, you're going to head over to the Outlook app. And here, as you can see, there are two options already, focused and other. But then what you're going to do is you are going to head over to the settings, and then you're going to search for focused inbox right here. This is the mail. And then you're gonna simply turn that on and toggle that on. Mine was already turned on. By default it is. And from there you can prioritize important emails while separating less critical minuscule ones. For example, let me head back over. And as you can see, these are the focused ones, which are about LinkedIn, the MRI online class. Then there's basically all about LinkedIn, Etsy, and Temu. And then the other ones are just right here. The focused ones are high priority ones, for example, security alert by Google, Google security alerts, and stuff like that. So this is how you can compartmentalize and keep your focused inbox separate in Outlook Mobile.